Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video we're going to look at the baby shower, baby animal theme niche. Yeah, and if you remember in the last couple of videos, I can't remember which one it was, I showed you how to create printable games quick and easy. Yeah, and we chose 10 different themes. Well, we're going to upload them themes today over on that Crispy Print app. Yeah. So just before we get into it, this is my channel. I create videos how to make money with video using different social medias, and I also share how I'm doing KDP and also printables, guys. So if you've not been here before, please come and check it out and give us a thumbs up and like it, subscribe if you like it. Let's get into this video, guys. So over on um, crispy prints, we've got onto the shower prints, and this is where we upload our images that we've made. Yeah, you choose your color of your text, and then you select whichever games you want. But what I recommend is just select them all, guys. Now I've just uploaded the first one, and here it is. So here's the baby shower word search, and as you can see, here is our background we chose, and here's our image. So it looks all nice, and yeah, it looks nice and bright, and some easy words to find. Yeah, there's not too many. So yeah, then we got our other game, baby shower crossword. Yeah, and look at this, guys. Look at all these games. Lots of games here, isn't there, guys? Yeah, good stuff. So then what I do, download it. What's this called? It's the insect, isn't it? Insect baby shower. Yeah. Then come off that, go back into this. We'll select the sloth one, yeah. We have red writing with that. We'll keep it as black. Select them all still, yeah. Oh, 1 minute, guys. What I've not done, guys, is go back onto that one. I need to write sample. So when we're advertising these, guys, we want sample on it so then people don't thief or steal our designs. Yeah. So you click on it and you just got to wait for this. You don't click out, you don't press the X or come out of the tab or anything like that. You just wait until Crispy Prints has done its work, and it shouldn't take that long. But just while we're waiting, I'm not sure if it was this one. Yeah, so these are all our themes, just for show you. Yeah, easy enough to create. We've got different animals, different insects. Yeah, make believe ones. So quite cool, aren't you, guys? I mean, you can change the background though. You don't have to have it plain white. You can have any colour you want. But like we just seen then, the crosswords and all that, it will get behind that. So it's probably easiest using white. That's what I recommend anyway, guys. So still doing its thing. Let's go back over to my channel. Yes, so how to advertise your book. I've shown you how to make a video and do some promotion. How to create printables that sell. Yeah, this is pretty much similar to Crispy. So I'm talking about Crispy Prints, and so is this one, guys. Yeah, it's a new app. It got rated #1. I think it's one of these two videos. It tells you it's #1. Yeah, come and check them out, guys. How to make money on TikTok. How to make money. Create Studio. There's KDP books. Some niches. If you want to check them out. Which are the best apps. Yeah. So a couple of seconds now, and it should show it, guys. Now, for the sake of this video, guys, I won't go through every single one. Obviously, I'll show you this sample now because this is important, because you don't want people to steal your stuff, yeah. And then what I'll do, guys, I'll download the answer keys, because you don't want people struggling, and if they do struggle, they want to be able to check once they've completed it to see if they've done it right, guys. Yeah. So here we are, guys. It's done. It's not too long. Look, it says sample there, so then people, let me just make it smaller. Yeah. So people don't want to come over, because it's quite easy to just go like this. Save as, yeah, and then it will save this. Yeah, and we don't want people stealing it, because it's not fair, is it? A lot of people do. Yeah, so they only do the edits, download it. I'll call it insect shower. I'll call it that for now. And that is about it, guys. We've got to download the answer keys. Yep, as you can see, it's all the answers. Let's download that. Yeah, let's call it show answers. And that is it, guys. I'll just quickly show you what I do for upload another, see if it does it okay. Done. Select all, create a bundle. Yeah, and that is how easy it is, guys. You click it, and you click it. It's just so easy. So that is it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you got some value out of this. If you did and you enjoyed it, please give me the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Until next time, guys, thanks very much. Goodbye.